Okay, we're gonna show you how to assemble the front fender. Okay, so you get your fender, which is the smaller fender. This one goes in the front. Then you get this little piece. Then you can adjust it to your light. But I'm gonna put it about right here, just to line up the holes. And you're gonna simply insert 2 screws. Another one. You can get a screwdriver, make sure they're tight all the way. You're gonna get your fender, you're gonna put it in the front side of the bike, you're gonna put it in through here. If it doesn't go through good, just kind of squeeze it, okay? And then you're gonna get your front reflector, which is this one, get a screw, insert it. Line it. Make sure it's tight all the way. Check the fender to make sure it's not loose. Okay, so we're gonna assemble the back fender. Okay, so you're gonna want to get this little piece and make sure you get the this side that the metal is just straight and not curved. As you can tell, this side it's a little bit curved, this side is not. So we're gonna put this side here and get a screw. This side. Screwdriver. Make sure you tighten it up all the way. Okay, so we're gonna install the back fender, and we're gonna install it on the latch that's holding the seat, basically like this, in between the washers and the screw. Okay, so we're gonna wanna open the latch, remove the seat, and then we're gonna remove this. Simply turn it counterclockwise. That. Your screw, your washer. Make sure that this little plastic part is facing on the inside. Turn it clockwise. So after installing the back fender, we're gonna insert the seat post. Adjust it to the height you want it to be at. Okay. And then we're gonna tighten this up a little bit. Okay. Now if it's too tight, you can basically just hold it on this side, make sure it doesn't turn, and you can turn it once counterclockwise, and then you can close it up. And then the same way, if it's too loose and you want to tighten it up, just turn it clockwise, holding this other side, and then you just make sure it's tight. There you go. You can adjust the fender like that, make sure it doesn't touch the back wheel. You're basically done.